Hey friends, I'm back with one more video about one more ICO. So today it's Multibot. See, these are hidden gems that you should really consider investing in this ICO market where there are hundreds of ICOs coming up every month. You should choose where to invest carefully. So similar one last month was Tracker, which gave multifold return within a month, and I think this is one of the best ICOs of this month. Multibot, very low profile, not much publicized, but very good investment if you really want to invest in cryptocurrency and ICO world. So if you see, the ICO is currently live, another 14 and a half days to go. You can visit their website multibot.io and check the details. So this video is not about the review of the ICO. Instead, we are going to check their product. They recently released the alpha version, so it is not publicly available. So I am going to walk through this and check how really it works. So let me log in. Neat and clean UI. There are multiple tabs, not much clumsy. uh, Come on. Yeah, so this is how it will look when it is live. So this is a demo screen, but if you see, the third item here is trading bot alpha. This is the product they released. Basically, what they are trying to create is they are trying to create a trading platform which can trade automatically based on some instructions. You need not be involved. It will trade on behalf of you. If you understand the currency cryptocurrency market, it is live 24/7 and it is highly volatile. So that means if you don't enter or exit at the right time, then you are bound to lose money, or you are bound to earn less profit. Either way, so this is where multibot comes handy. So it tracks your investments 24 bar 7 and takes decision on behalf of you when to enter the market or exit the market. So this is really interesting concept. They have their algo based on which it will decide for you. So what you need to do, you have to create a task. So the task is nothing but you are telling the platform that, okay, I want to trade on some currency pair in some exchange, and this is the amount on which I am going to trade. So this is the screen to add a new task. First is the strategy. It can be buy sell or sell buy. So buy sell is where the you are going to buy at lower price and sell at higher price. The reverse one is short selling. So that means you are going to sell at a higher price in the beginning and try to purchase when it goes down. That means you are expecting it, the value to go down. So currently there is only one strategy available. Next thing is the exchange. There are four exchanges they are supporting for the time being. So let me select Bittrex. Then you have to select the currency pair on which you are going to trade. There are huge number of options available. So let me select Digibyte. So if you see what it mentions, please read carefully this one. So your balance should be in Ether. That means the platform is going to use Ether in your account to purchase Digibyte. Please remember that it's not other way around. Okay, and then you have to decide how much of your money you want to allocate for this trade. So let's say I have 20 Ether in my account. I am going to invest 5.5 Ether in this. So this is the total amount it will use for the trading. So then it asks for the first step and last step of the trading. That means you will define this by percentage. Excuse me. So that means, let me take an example. If you see, assume that the price of Digibyte is 100. So if you remember, it starts at 2. It ends at 18 last time. That means when the price goes 2% below the current price, it will do the first trading for you. It will do the first purchase. If it goes 6% below that, it will do the second purchase. 10% below that, it will do the next purchase. That is how it goes on. And how many purchase it will do is defined by the number of orders. So I have defined it as 5. So that's how it will be. So it will do 5 trades for me, purchases for me, and at this price based on the numbers, 2% to 18%. That is what. So 2% 98, and the last one is 18% at 82. Then the next parameter is martingale percentage. If you understand how this works, basically the logic is, if the price is going down, you invest more and more so that your average price goes down. So this is uh, where it becomes really interesting. Now you can define the percentage of money it will keep on adding to the next purchase order. So I defined as 5%. So I have total of 5.5 ether for this trade. So it will start first purchase, let's say at 1 ether. So that means when it goes to 98, price goes to 98, it will purchase digibyte worth of 1 ether. Then in the next trade, when it goes to 94, it will buy digibyte worth 1.05 ether. That is the 5% increase. Then next another 5% increase. That means purchase digibyte worth 1.1 ether at 90. Like that it will keep on going. So that's how it will segregate, and that comes down to total 1.5.5 ether for me. So and then the profit margin. So once it purchases, at what price it will sell. So let's say I define that, okay, I need a profit of 5% on my investment. So that's all. Your trade is ready. Only thing now you have to tell the account information, the your exchange account information, where it will do the trading. So as I have selected Bittrex, I will provide the API key details. So you can provide the details by going to this API section. So let me add a new key. uh, okay, let me, it uses two-factor authentication, just FYI. So I am using Google two-factor authentication. 106854. Dada, my key and values are generated. So let me copy, and my secret key. I'm good to go. So save it. Okay. So the task is ready. Now I have to start that. That's all. Your job is done. You can go and sleep. So the bot or the platform will keep on trading. See, it started working. It will access your account and check for the price at which, when it goes to the defined price, it will start the trading. So simple. Now if you want to do another trading for another currency pair, you have to add one more task, and you have to provide another different pair of API key and secret key. So basically you have to add one more key and update there. For each task there will be a separate API key, please remember that. So this is how it will work. Very simple for the users. They need not do much activities. They have to create the task and forget uh, the details. The multibot will do the work for them and earn profit, as simple as that. See, this is how it will look like in the real time. Once it starts, it will show the orders, what is the price currently, at what price it is waiting for, how many orders it has completed, what is the profit, everything it will define. So this is really interesting ICO, and it has huge potential. And specifically the way cryptocurrency is growing, it has lot of value. And the price is really good. The number of tokens, if you see, will be relatively less as compared to other ICOs. So please check that. And if you are interested, then go and invest. You can visit their website, which is multibot.io, and start investing. Another 14 and a half days to go. Already 5.3 lakh tokens. Five, yes, 5.5 lakhs almost tokens are sold. Thank you for watching.